Meaning of fandango.
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 Fandango. Fandango is a Spanish term that refers to a lively dance originating from traditional Andalusian folk music, typically accompanied by guitar and hand clapping. It is characterized by its quick steps and rhythmic footwork, often performed in pairs or groups. Fandango has evolved over time and spread to different parts of the world, with various regional variations and adaptations. Today, fandango has broad cultural significance as both a musical genre and a social activity, celebrated in festivals and gatherings worldwide.